Hello, welcome to the Todd Wehr Memorial Library at Viterbo University. The library is located in Murphy Center. It's the first floor of Murphy Center as well as half of the second floor. The saying above the door means dare to be wise. Franny's is a 24/7 computer lab. It's also a coffee shop. This is located at the front of the library. Also near the front of the library is the library's main desk. This is where you can check out items, return items, pick up items maybe we've gotten for you from another library. We also have technology available for checkout like laptops and iPads. The campus Lost and Found is located at the main desk. You may also sign up for study rooms at the main desk. Once you head down the hallway on the first floor, you'll see a copy card machine. It's on the right-hand side of the screen, and also a photocopy machine on the left-hand side. You may purchase a copy card, or you may scan using the photocopy machine and have it sent directly to your email. The library elevator is located down this hallway. It does not go all the way up to the 5th floor Murphy Center, rather it just goes to the 2nd floor of the library. All along the long hallway are older periodicals. These are magazines and journals the library has kept because they may not be available online, or perhaps the content's better looked at in print. They're alphabetical by their title, and they're either bound where they look like a book and maybe a full year is put into that one bound volume, or they're individual issues. These items do not check out, but you may scan them or make photocopies of them. Along the hallway are several computer labs. This one is called the semicircle. Any computer that's open you may sit down and use. The computer lab, room 115, has a photocopy machine which serves as a black and white printer and also a color printer. A little further down the hallway you'll notice a lot of study carrels. And then we end up at the far end in the children's area. These are the books geared for preschoolers through high schoolers. The collection is used mainly by our education students. Once you get back to the end of the library's hallway, you'll start noticing quiet zone signs. When you head back here, it's a very quiet area, so the groups are limited to just whispering and no cell phones are allowed. Other areas of the library, quiet conversation is okay. We have an art gallery back here, and also the university archives that houses the historic documents from the early days of the university and also modern day meeting minutes. So we'll turn around and head back down the first floor past all of those older periodicals, and we end back up at the front area near the reference desk. This is where you can ask your questions if you're stumped about finding a resource or a book, or you just need some help with getting going on your projects. There are also DVDs and videos up here. Some are in open shelves, some are locked cases. They all check out. The staircase heads up to the 2nd floor of the library. The library is in Murphy Center, which is the oldest building on campus, and it was once the only building on campus. This area used to be a gymnasium in about 1939-1940 when the building was first built. Near the reference desk are the reference books. We also have online reference materials, but these books serve as a great place to get started on your project, especially if you need some background information or some facts or data. The regular library collection starts about halfway down this hallway, and there are the call numbers A through part of D located here. The library uses the Library of Congress classification system, and the call numbers range from A's through Z's. So we have about A through D down here, and then the remaining D's through Z upstairs. Also on the first floor are CDs. Our CD collection is primarily Broadway and classical. In the corner of the first floor is rec reading. Rec reading consists of bestsellers and popular books. Across from that is the periodical area. So down the hall we had looked at the older periodicals. These are the current ones that we still subscribe to in print. The majority of our periodicals, which consist of magazines, journals, and newspapers, are online, but we still do have a collection of them in print. So if you're looking for a newer issue, it's probably going to be over here. We just headed up the second floor. Here's a nice little spot to sit at the top of the stairs. As I mentioned earlier, the library books range from call numbers A through Z. Part of them are downstairs, but the remainder of them are upstairs. So you'll find the call numbers D through Z upstairs. We have offices upstairs as well as downstairs. And here will be the end of the library collection, where we have approximately the call numbers Q through Z, and then along the wall are curriculum materials. We also have a library computer lab upstairs. Here's another look at the curriculum materials. These items are used by our education students as they look for examples of textbooks that are used in the classroom. If you have any questions about the library, please do not hesitate to visit our website or stop by and ask. Thank you.